Okay, so welcome back to another little vlog. Right now I'm washing dishes, but I'm like multitasking. Okay, Blake wants to say hi to you guys, so we can let him come and say hi. Say hi. Cheese. Oh, cheese. Cheese. Right now he is sick. He doesn't feel good. He's still a little bit warm. I've been giving him Tylenol because he got a little fever. Oh, he's blowing you guys kisses. Go. Cheese. Cheese. I love my handsome little baby boy. Okay, he turned his TV off, so I'm going to turn his TV back on. And then I will get back to what I was saying before. Cheese. Okay, so I just turned his TV back on. The living room was a mess as per usual. That's basically his playroom. So I'm making 2 burgers for me right now. I'll show you guys what that looks like right now. I'm also washing dishes, and I'm about to make me a cup of coffee so that I could drink while I'm washing dishes. I'm making myself some food, but yeah, I'm trying to get him, you know, better. He has a little fever, a little cough. So let me show you guys what the burgers are looking like right now. Okay, so this is the 2 burgers. They're huge. I'll show you guys what brand they are from. So they are the Great Value brand. These are the 100% pure beef burgers. They're 75% lean, 25% fat. It's a box of 32 burgers. This has lasted me so long. Okay, so what I use to season my burgers, basically, if you're Hispanic, every Hispanic uses this on everything. So I use a pack of sazon. I use adobo because this makes everything taste great. And then I throw some garlic powder on it. And this is what the box of sazon looks like if you don't know. So let's do that. Basically, I put it on both sides. Got the adobo now. So we're just gonna throw some right there. Okay, so I set you guys up on the tripod because it was really hard to use with my hands. So I flipped the burgers, and I'm going to add some seasoning on this side. Put adobo on there. A little bit more garlic. I'm going to flip them again, make another splatter. I hate when my burgers fill up like that because it's impossible to like enjoy them on an actual bun. Okay, so I got my cup of coffee, and the coffee that I use is the Great Value Donut Shop like brand coffee. So this is what it looks like. It's a little K-cup. My coffee machine makes K-cups and whole pots. So I've already brewed my coffee. And the creamer that I like to use is the International Delight creamer. This is super sweet. And I basically do like half a cup of coffee, half a cup of creamer, because that's just how I like my coffee, super light. And I fill it to the top. And then I give it a good little stir. And sometimes this makes my coffee cold, so if it's cold, I'll just throw it back in the microwave. Okay, that's hella cold, and my lipstick stained the cup, so I'm going to clean that and heat my coffee up. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw my coffee in my microwave. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the fire off, and I'm just gonna throw some of this Price Chopper taco blend cheese on top. I normally use sliced cheese, but I don't have any, and I need cheese on my burgers. So I'm gonna throw some like that, and on top, and hopefully that melts because like my cheese melted, you know? Stir it if it gets on the pan. Fine. I like a lot of cheese. I don't really like lettuce, but I don't have lettuce. So I'm going to bring you back to the counter, and we'll set up the burger from there. Okay, so for buns, I'm using the Price Chopper Picks White Hamburger Buns. So I'm just gonna take 2 out, like so. Open them up. I'm gonna go grab the burgers. The cheese has melted a bit. I mean, there's still some dry cheese, which is expected, but whatever's on the burger is melted, so that's all I care about. Okay, so then I'm gonna add some ketchup. And I'm gonna add some pickles. So I have this big jar of ketchup. This is a 4-pound bottle of ketchup because I went through ketchup like crazy, as you can see. So I'm gonna add some of that. So then I'm gonna add some Vlasic oval hamburger dill chips because why not? And then I load my burgers up with ketchup, so yeah. And then I put the buns on top, and I'm ready to go. Okay, I think I did this one backwards. Okay, I see what I did. Okay, so now my burgers are ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna take a bite. Okay, so this actually doesn't taste that bad with taco cheese. I definitely think I like it way more than sliced cheese. Everything tastes good, so I'm gonna go enjoy this with my son and enjoy my coffee, and I will come back and vlog some more when I'm done. Okay, so I finished my burger. Me and Blakey enjoyed it very much so. Right, baby? You enjoyed the burger? Okay, so right now what I'm doing is cleaning up the living room. My boyfriend said if the living room is nice and clean, he will come home and put up the Christmas tree. And last year I had my Christmas tree up in November, and we are already in December, honey. We are late on putting this Christmas tree up, sis. So right now I'm going through all his toys. He has like 200 of these cars that his grandmother gave him. Not my mom, but my boyfriend's mom. And I'm going through the ones that are chipped. Any chipped paint or any missing parts I'm going to throw out. And any that are in good condition I will keep. But right now he has way too many. Every time I step into my kitchen, over his gate from the living room, I step on a car. And I mean, it's bound to happen. If you have kids, you are going to step on their toys. But right now I'm trying to get my living room immaculate. And I'm going to be honest, I'm quite happy to get rid of half of these little cars that I've stepped on, almost every single one of them. So I will show you guys the progress when I'm done. But let me show you guys what I got right now. So I just emptied out his toy chest that it can actually close now. Before it was like full to the top, but I just emptied it out. I need to clean it out because there's some dust in here and dirt, so gross. But so far we're just keeping these 4 cars and 2 like balls, and there's a whole garbage bag full of toys. So that is where we are. It is very hard to do this with him right here trying to play with all the toys, but I am dedicated. I have about like 30 minutes to do this, and I'm gonna get it done. So I will see you guys in a few minutes. So I got about a whole garbage bag and a half full of toys. I'm currently making some cheesy beef pasta. Super quick, super easy, because I have a set of nails that I need to do. I just finished 2 orders. I got another order that I need to do by Friday, but the earlier the better. So in the next clip, I'm probably just going to show you what my food looks like, and then end the vlog there because I need to eat and finish this nail set. And yeah, my makeup is really looking good today, sis. At least I got to go to the store. I probably should have vlogged that, but I just went to get some like feminine care products because, you know, Mother Nature is here for me this week. So this is what it looks like. I just added mozzarella cheese because you guys know I love my mozzarella cheese. And these are the nails that I started that I have to do. So yeah. That brings this little vloggy vlog to an end. I know it wasn't exciting or nothing, but this is the day in the life of a mom that's home on the regular. Bye.